Today is January 2nd, 2025, so Happy New Year's to everybody out there. And I figured we'd do a garden tour today because next week we have our first true freezes coming. So let's do the garden tour now, and we'll do another one in a couple weeks. As I turn the camera around the yard, around the garden, you see I still have a lot going on down here. And I have not picked anything up. I have not changed anything. Hence all this back here behind me. Is what it is, y'all. I've been super busy. Especially with the holidays right behind us, with Christmas back last week and everything. Just too much going on. But let's show you what's going on right now in this garden. There's not a lot, but then there is. So I'm going to just stand right here and kind of point things out. I have peas growing, finally. Starting to finally take off. Of course, and the freeze is coming, so those will die. Got some radishes right in here. I had spinach over here, y'all, but that did not take this year. I don't know why. I'm a little confused. See that banana plant's looking a little ratchet right now, but that entire container garden actually is looking good for the most part. Got a fig growing right there, but all of these are gonna have to go inside before next Monday. So I'll be moving a lot. Not a lot. I'm gonna be moving the stuff that needs to go in that I do not want to lose. That is for sure. So since we're over here, let's go this way. Now you can see that habanero plant is still doing good. This one is looking bad. Serrano plant's doing good. Both of these are gonna be taken out of here, put in pots, and taken into the garage very soon. I'm not losing those pepper plants. They're actually doing really well. We got a rosemary that you all saw me transplant in that rosemary video. It's doing great. Most of everything back in here is going to be dead next week, but you can see how good it looks. Now, one thing I am going to do over the winter break, or between now and March 1st, is these rose plants that are right in here, I'm going to take them all the way out and put something else in there. I'm kind of done with climbing rose plants. Pretty much all of this is going to be dead. The beans here, obviously that okra is not going to survive the freeze, but those blackberries are going to do just fine. They'll come back strong here in a couple months. So before we continue on, if you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, do me the 3 favors. Share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. If you're a new gardener and you're looking for a channel geared toward beginner gardeners, then you found one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload videos, and join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Okay, swinging over here, carrots are doing good. Got some weeds in here I need to take care of. All this garlic is doing great. So there's an update for anyone who's participating in the hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025 coming next year, that me and Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil are putting on in 2025. As we scan on down this side of the garden, we got some Swiss chards that are doing well. Thought they'd be doing better than that, if I'm going to be totally honest. These right here are marigolds that have just volunteered themselves to come back. I cannot even begin to remember what pepper plant that is. This entire area is about to be amended. We've got more carrots right here with a pest. Nope, that is not a pest. So y'all see that little guy right there? I'm gonna zoom in and see how far I can get before he takes off. Okay, that is an assassin bug baby. Now, how do I know that's an assassin bug baby and not a leaf-footed bugs nymphs? Well, there's only one of them. When you see an insect like that by itself, that is an assassin bug baby. Those are beneficials. Leave them alone, let them do their thing and protect our garden. If you see a lot of them in a cluster like I'm showing right here, those are pests. Those are the bad leaf-footed bug babies. Kill them on sight. Do not let them live. Hate them, hate them, hate them. But as you can see, that guy's already taken off. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Right there, just creeping along, looking for something to eat. But you can see that he's by himself. That is an assassin bug baby right there. That's what you want to see. All right, continuing. More turnips through here that I'll be harvesting very soon. In fact, maybe I should just do that now, considering the weather that we have coming. No, I'm gonna wait a little bit, then we'll harvest. Probably in the Saturday video, maybe. Or on a YouTube short. If y'all are interested in YouTube shorts, or maybe you don't really like shorts or reels, check out mine. I try to keep them very short for the most part and informative. Radishes, radishes, radishes. Down here are all my brassicas. I've got one cabbage plant here that's sort of doing something. That's a Brussels sprout right there. My first cauliflower ever. Got 3 little tiny heads, so they're not going to survive the freeze. Oh, 4 of them actually. So I will be harvesting those. I might just do a harvest video soon for everything that I need to harvest before the freeze. Probably what I'll do. Okay, so that's everything on this side of the garden. Now let's go back down in the middle. Okay, this bed, y'all, is just crazy. Look at this basil. It's still doing great. Jojo over there checking out the garden, being a little shadow, goofy girl. I still have a bunch of eggplants in here that will need to be harvested. I mean, look at that big old eggplant right there. Oh, there's another one. I didn't even see this one. Look at that one right there, yo. Cool. More eggplants in here. These are the Satsuma eggplants. I mean, look at the size of that beast. That's what I'm talking about. Now, more than likely, the freeze is going to kill all this. And that's fine. I don't mind freezes for this reason. It allows nature to be nature. If they survive, then they survive. If they don't, well, guess what? I'll just replant in a couple months. It's all good. So I expect a lot of this, honestly, to be dead. What are you doing, George? Hey, 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 you say hi? You want to say hi to everybody or no? No? Just being a little bougie today, I guess. I don't know. Sorry, y'all. Tomatoes still growing from this upside down tomato deal right here. Cannot believe those are still growing. Now all through here, check this out. This is Mizuna, a very good green from Baker Creek. This is a green lettuce, and I cannot remember the name of it. This is a Merlot lettuce. These are really good, y'all. This is the 3rd or 4th year I've grown these, and I love these. Very good. Another lettuce right in here. It's not really doing much. And more radishes. Got a couple pepper plants there with some cosmos growing. Looking absolutely beautiful. Coming on down. I still have not gotten rid of this. Oh, man. These bean plants, but they're coming. But look at all these tomatoes. Now, when the freeze hits, these are all going to die. I was really hoping we wouldn't have a freeze just because of how good these tomato plants are doing. But they will not survive the freeze. Look at that hole. Huh. Well, it is what it is. But we'll see. You never know. Maybe they'll live. They're not going to live. These pineapple plants are looking a little yellow. Need to get them inside. Definitely before the freeze comes. Amend them a bit. See where they go from there. What you doing? All right, that bed again. If y'all didn't see the video where I harvested the sweet potatoes, this is gonna be a corn bed in spring, so I've already put the nutrients in. That bed's been amended and ready to rock and roll. This is all asparagus. And as you can see, it's starting to turn brown, but we still have some green in here. After the freeze, y'all, every bit of that's gonna be brown, and time to cut all of this growth that you see here off right down to the ground level. And then in spring, everything's gonna come back, rocking and rolling, and then I'll be able to start eating these asparaguses, finally. And then that's just the rest of everything over there. I'll be cleaning all this up, getting everything prepared for spring, for sure. Now, I have not shown this section right here. This bed is really doing good. It's a 36-inch tall bed. I love this thing. And as you can see right here, these are the carrots for those big, where's the other one at? I got 3 of them. Oh, there's one right there, and some moss right there, and right here. Those are those 3-foot Japanese carrots. that hopefully will start taking off and growing really soon. I have noticed that these carrots take a bit of time to get going, so hopefully they'll get going. Habanero plant right there will be coming inside. As you can see, it's still putting on. I mean, it's got, well, look at that. Something is eating that habanero. Doggone it. Guarantee that was a bird, y'all. Huh. Okay, well, those will be coming in very soon. Along with this pepper plant right here, these Mad Hatters. I mean, look how pretty that pepper is, and how uniquely shaped those things are. I mean, look at that. Pretty cool. We've got some purple hull, or we got some King Tut peas right here from Baker Creek, doing good. Another cabbage right there. So yeah, everyone, that's the garden tour. I made this kind of quick and fast because it is January, y'all. There's not a lot going on out here. I know if y'all are up in the north, you're all probably like, man, dude, what are you talking about? You got a lot going on. I do, to a point. I gotta have a lot more going on. But the one good thing about a freeze, at least for those of us down in the south where we don't deal with these all the time, and our winters are like what you're seeing right now, 60 degrees, I'm in a t-shirt, is when the freeze comes, it kills everything. So it makes it a lot easier, at least for me, to pull everything out, get rid of it, really come through, amend, and really get the mindset of spring. Does that make sense? Like when I'm looking at everything right now, I'm like, I know spring's 3 months away, but I'm still growing a lot. It's still green out here. But with the freeze, everything dies. And then you can kind of clean slate and start over. Make sense? At least that's how I feel. And I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that feel the same way, especially if you garden in the south. Freezes are a pain in the butt for us down here, but they're a necessary evil for the gardens, in my opinion. All right, everyone, take care. God bless. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard. Get prepared. Spring's around the corner. I'm going to say this till I'm blue in the face. Spring is around the corner. I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.